know something? Why is it that when we're going nowhere is when we get like the perfect version of our hair? I'm loving my bun today. This is like the most perfect bun for me, like the perfect little messy bun thing. And I'm going nowhere. But if I were going somewhere, I wouldn't even be able to get this done, I promise you. But anyway, hello, welcome back. Welcome to everyone who's new. You've already seen from the title that this is a giveaway video. So I'm just going to quickly run through everything that I have here that I'm going to be giving away, and then we'll go into how to enter the giveaway. So the very first thing here that I'm going to show you guys is the EcoTools Total Perfecting Blender. I love this sponge. This is one of my favorite sponges. I've talked about it quite a few times here on my channel. So I definitely wanted to give one of these away. Then next up here we have the P2 Volume Gloss Gel Look Nail Polish, and this is in the color Happy Bride, which is an odd name for a color like this. This is my summer color, the corals and pale oranges, things like that. I freaking love these colors. I have so many nail colors like this, so I wanted to go ahead and pass that on and share it. I've never used it, everything's brand new, but I wanted to give that to someone who could definitely use it because I freaking love that color so much, and I'm always gravitating toward it whenever I go pick up nail polishes. Next up we have the Coconut Nail Art nail strips. Can we see here? They kind of have, remind me of like a mermaid tail going on here. So if you don't have time to paint your nails and get the whole polish thing going on, then the nail strips come in really handy. And then following up with that, we have the Impress press-on manicure nails. They come with the glue strips already on them, so all you have to do is peel off the backing and apply them. If you don't want to use that and you would rather use regular glue, which is usually what I do, take a tweezer, peel off the sticker in the back, and then put the glue you prefer and go ahead and put them on, and they will last you a very long time. And they have so many designs to choose from. I freaking love that. Next up, Sway My Collagen Hydro Lip Patch. So it is a lip mask basically that you put on. Following up from there, we have a few lip products here. So we have the Almay Goddess Gloss. So it is a pink, pale pink glittery gloss. We have here the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick from Wet n Wild. We have next the Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Lip. I love this. So I actually have it on right now. The color I have on is called Melon Pop. But I love this formula so much. Very comfortable, pretty long lasting too. And then last up is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. So that's what that one looks like there. And then after that, while we're speaking about lips, I'm giving away the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Lip Scrub. And this is the rose one that just came out. I have the watermelon one, and I love these lip scrubs. These are really, really good. Following up from there is the Sets Blot and Translucent Powders. So these are one-use, single-dose cosmetic compacts for blotting. I don't blot or anything, so I figured I'd pass those along to somebody who does. Also, the Original Beauty Blender for anybody who's either been wanting to try one or just wanting to restock on one. And then I'm also going to be giving away a free, a few of my favorite Freeman one-use masks. I love these things, so I'm giving you one of each kind. So this one here is a water gel mask, this one here is a peel off clay mask, and then this one is a wash off clay mask. But they all do wonderful things for the skin. I'm constantly picking these up every weekend because I just love the way they work and make my skin feel. Giving away a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, giving away the Wet n Wild Color Icon Palm Beach Ready bronzer. These are one of the new ones that came out. Man, this is a gorgeous bronzer. It reminds me very closely of the Bronze Dynasty one that I like, but that one's really good too. Then we have the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink Collection in Boudoir. Always talk about Kiss lashes and Kiss nails. Those are just my favorite things. I'm giving away a MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray. Giving away an Equate Beauty makeup brush cleaner. This is a gel cleaner. And I'm giving away a Lancome Paris Color Design Single Use Eyeshadow in the color Mirage. It's a beautiful cool tone, like taupey brown color. And then I'll be giving away this PYT. It's a Girls World Mini Flat Iron. And to enter is going to be pretty simple. I'm going to be singing in this video, so just listen to the whole song, and then once I get to the end of it, just comment down below if you like the song and if you would like to hear me do I'm just kidding. I'm totally just kidding. That's not true. I would not put anybody through that whole singing thing. What I do want to do is, for a while now, I've been wanting to do a video where I get to tell you guys a little bit more about me, because I know that personally I like when people that I'm subscribed to do videos where we kind of get to know them a little bit more. And I've been seeing the answering your assumptions about me video that's been going around recently, and I thought that was really fun. Like, it just seemed like fun to do, so I would like to do that. So all you really have to do is be subscribed to this channel and then leave a comment down below telling me your assumptions about me. I encourage you to leave more than one assumption if you have more than one. Be brutally honest. Whatever it is, I can take it, trust me. But yeah, I would like to be able to, you know, tell you guys more about me, but I really want to tell you things that you guys are really interested in knowing. I'm gonna leave this up for 2 weeks so that anybody who wants to enter has a chance to enter, and then at the end of the 2 weeks I will be answering your assumptions, and in that video I will announce who the winner of this giveaway is. So one more time, just to recap: subscribe to this channel, leave your comment down below about any assumptions you have about me. I encourage you to leave more than one assumption. Be brutally honest. I can definitely take it. And that is all that you have to do to enter the giveaway. So if you have any specific questions, leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You all have an amazing rest of the week and wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.